Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Pa nthawi ino mundilole ndayitani a Secretary General athu olemekezeka Bambo William Kalonga kuti atilandire pamalo pano. Zikomo.
UTM akulu chipani mwachirowa chitu ndi moto eti ndi moto machito chachili moto sichoncho. Tisapwekese ifeyo amene tatenga ukansala, tisapwekese ifeyo amene tatenga kukachita represent chipani chingati ma MP sichoncho. Ndiye UTM akakhale wamphamvu eti UTM tsogolo lathu osafoka zimu kwambiri. Bwana President, ndachiona chamtengo patali kuti Southern Region motsogozedwa ndi Vice President atipangira function imene iti atokoze kwambiri kuti at short notice zinthu zaenda. Koma ule mwanga oyambirira tisanapitirire ndi ukupita kwa Bwana President Kabambe. A Vice President amene nalo pano including a Vice President of Southern Region ndi of Eastern Region Bambo Salam Bulanda onaso alipo. Ndi ma president awiri osiyana, wina wa tubirage okuja kuno kwambiri, wina ovutikira kuja kwake ovutikira. Musachite kumukama kwambiri yayi. Waonda kale munthu. Nditokozenso presidential advisor muli pano Mai Kariati kulimbikira kwanu ndi timu yonse ya ma advisors ifeyo achipani tikutokoza kwambiri. Anzanu ena onse so ma advisors mukatithokozera kumeneko. Ngakhale ndinadupa protocol nayenera kuyankhula za anzanga onse achipani kuyambira ma NEC members, ma CC members amene nawo muno muchigulugulu momwemo muliso organizing secretary, director of elections, director of youth ndiye na hotelo. Ena ndikuzokanga tenda kudumphani koma osadandaula yayi maulemu akhale chimache zimu kwambiri. A president chipani cha UTM ndicho sangalala kwambiri. Kupita kwa malemu sitimaganiza kuti tingapeze mwayi umakhalanso ndi wina wake umayambikiranso maganizo andani amalemu achi. Koma pano taona kuti umasiye wathu ukupita ukuchepera and the climax ya umasiye wathu ndi pa 16 September pamene mudaona zinthu zindukubira utolendo ulo ma MP obira uparliament mudzina la UTM akakhale foloka sizingateke. Bwana Matibex analo asiti mafuno mayankula mmagulumu sifwa siti kuziwa kuti ma alliance wakulowera kuti sinapange conclude za ma alliance tizamba kulalata zinthu zosayenera kulalata kupeza munthu mwina ali mkondemu siku lina ndeti kuyamba tamasunga tikusunga pakamwapa kumadikira tsiku lake lero ndilo kuti muzatisekule kuti zinthu zoyenda. Kani ya ma alliance yonse tinagwirizana kale ngati NEC izi ndikuyankhula ngati ma councillors, ma MP amene mwangofika kumene amene akusankha ndi museum. Congratulations to you all. Kuma ndikuyankhula ifoti kuma meeting ya NEC ndi kuma CC uko inu simukhalako zimene timagwirizana kumene kwena simunazimve chifukwa simunali mlaini. Koma panopo ndati mumve kuchokera kwa Secretary General wanu kunena kuti tinasankha kagulu kamene kakakuyankhula za ma alliance. Ena mumaponyapo ena kuti alliance kuyenda bwanji kodi alliance kuyenda bwanji chilichonse chimene tachipule kumene tikuyendako chibweranso kuchani ku NEC kapena ku CC muzachivomereza kapena kuchikana. Zikafika pamene pati ndiyo alliance chiyasongola munthu wake sichoncho. Palibe wina wake paeka angakuuzeni pakali pano za alliance kuyenda bwanji. timati timvetsetsane pamenepo tikapitanso m'mizimu kufotokoza kwathu kuzikhala kumeneko. Panonso ndakhala pano kukupangani advice kunena kuti message imene imatulusa Dr. Kabambe misonkhano yonse imene tikuyenda wina aliyense kansala MP aitenge message yake yomweyo aziyapatsa anthu. Sikufuna ma message osempana. Ma regional governors muli ndi ntchito yayikulu, ma vice president amadera muli ndi ntchito yayikulu kugulisa message imodzi ya UTM as a party, as UTM. Osati wina yankule izi tikalowa munchewu mu message ikhale yomweyo, tikalowa muzomba message ikhale yomweyo, tikalowa kunsanje message ikhale yomweyo. Tikoza mangosiyana zinenero wa message imene akutulusa Dr. Daliso Kabambe ndi chipani chonse cha UTM chonde tisunge message imene. Ine masanano si ndingayankhule zambiri yaye kwanga ndikupereka m'manja mwa director of elections amene chipani chitaganiza chinayika bungwe loyendesa za ma primaries. And bungwe limene loyendesa ma primaries lali ngati komiti yapadera imene tinayivomereza kuti yendese ma primaries onse Malawi muno itipase ma results. Ikatipasa ma results tifike page imene tafikayo. Mainawo alengeze ndi ndani ndiomwe wa director of elections moyimira a deputy president amene masanano sinakhale nawo pano koma amene onde amene anali chair wa komiti imeneyo. Si secretary general ya ena mmadala mafoni anu kumayindira secretary general pakali pano adakali namwaliso ngati inu inenso certificate yanga ndifuna kulandira pati pano koma gulu limene limayendesa zimenezo limayenda kuwuzaniro kuti limatsogozedwa ndi Dr. Bulirani amene ali deputy president wathu secretary wa komiti imeneyo ndi akawaga amene mukuwaona pakali pano. Ndiye ndisaungaire nthawi kwambiri bwana president akulandirani tipitize ndi maprogramu athu ziwa mu
Tipi inabisanga kamaliza mwongoze tumakitamalize hawi kwa president liso ali zina zura jite tonde titanize ndi makimani zitawo iya itabemagala mora tonde pakabiro mudirole tiyambe ku mwambo watu ndipo mwambo watu huyo hapa moteli weyambira kuzandira certificate yawo ndikuonenegezeka awire kalonga manja mwawo Nasanano ndikuonenegezeka Dr. Patricia Kariati. Certificate ina ikupita kwa olemegezeka Aaron Chambo. David Luka na wabili atoteke certificate yao. palingine kishauri chimbalanga ambaye atikisa tufiri yao amene ndione megezeka Simon Salamula Simeon Salamula amene akwaimira Zama Yesu mwina mwa metrai mwemu ndi Felix Njawala
Padahal pano president tukitira pende mambo wacho panopati tenga up Eastern region. UTM Ziribwino si ziribwino si ziribwino pa 16 September bano Dota Katambe 16 September nanga mena wonegeramu angumukamanga uza kumadera angakaponye konyonga aliyense chonge 2016 pa 16 September 2025 amena kuzakala president wa dziko la Malawi ndi amene tili nawo pano.
Pamene pandibe panawo nyimbo ija pang'ono kuti bwana nawo akhale pansapume pang'ono tisungire kumphamvu pang'ono.
Peleke ulembwa Director of Youth ulemwano, Director of Elections ulemwano, peleke ulembwa Director of Ceremonies and Director of Operations ulemwano, peleke ulembwa MPs atu onse IUTM ulemwano, members onse a Central Committee mulibano kumaso aleke mene mulibano ulemwano regional governors onse ngali bagati batu ulemwano ni makomiti zanu directors of women onse ulemwano makomiti anu directors of youth onse ulemwano makomiti anu onse ulemwano ino nonse mashado MPs muli muno ulemwano inonse mashado councillors muli muno ulemwano ena kutega simuno andine certificate yanu ena kutega bali mamisha hapo ndiapo musazidandaule chifukwa inenso sina andile certificate chifukwa kusiosekanga ndakalipona kampena ake kuli mavuto ndiye zikakonzeka Director of Elections andi kwa sananenso certificate yako ulipanga kawanji sina andile zatani akaka tapeleka kwa wina musadandaule inenso kwanga chimenezerishi Vice President South Alandira Salandira now set ndiye kuti padagali madera awiri atatu anayi kumene we are still sorting out issues. Once they have been sorted out akutidzikonza atenge kunchewu pali madera ina awiri atatu nawonso there have been some mishap komanso kudalakonzedwa mosemo tikonza bwinobwino koma today is the day of our shadow MPs and councillors. Congratulations. We don't want anything to spoil our day. We came here to celebrate. To celebrate that as a party UTM, as the Director of Elections said, we are feeling all 229 constituencies in the country. We are also filling all positions, all wards that are going to be contested at the 16th September general elections with councillors. And therefore, as a party, we have grown. The party, we want to put up a statement that all those that call themselves major parties in the country should watch this space, should watch UTM. And as I stand here this afternoon, here at Amalur's Hotel, UTM party will be the largest party in power. And we are going to dominate every council in Malawi. Watch the space. Watch the space. UTM is going to be, if not the #1 biggest party in Parliament this year. We have gone out, we have sourced, we have secured, and we have the best and the brightest that can represent Malawians at every ward and at every constituency. And that is UTM. And the UTM is also forming the presidency in this country. Leo ninawachitono kwambiri ndinokondwera kwambiri nditokoze kwambiri ma-structures onse achipani kuyambira ku Central Committee, ku NEC, ndikubwera pansi madera onse, ma-regions and everywhere. We have done a fantastic job. We have done a very good job recruiting the best that the country can offer. And therefore, I want to sincerely thank you and congratulate you for a job well done. You still have to single out certain individuals. Ndofuna manje hapa tunatongozea Vice President Saka for the tremendous work that has put in. Ni timu yao ya region. You worked so hard to get my candidates in most of the constituencies. And you are out of your way, working 24/7. Olympic pese my candidates abwino. I must confess, it was not easy. It was a tough ride. But the VP South and the team in the Southern region, you have done us proud. Congratulations, VP. They are chosen as part of the Southern region. Olemegezega mai Dr. Galiati. Amapira nchino na Vice President Asaru na Regional Governor Absabitwa to sort out very, very hard. Olemegezega Dr. Galiati, Ukwila nchino na Vice President South, Ukwila nchino na Regional Governor South, Ukwila nchino ni timu yao ya Absabitwa. You have done us proud. The Eastern region, the Abu region, Yabu Amashire, the region, Yabu Eastern region. Bravo to the team. Bravo to you, Vice President, and your teams. You have worked tirelessly, very, very hard. Alongside my team, you have worked tirelessly. It wasn't easy. Malambi is not even a candidates. But as we are here, the team led by the Vice President Eastern Region, we are filling all constituencies and wards in the Eastern Region with some of the finest Malawians you can find that will be standing as chairman MPs and councillors. Bravo to the team in the Eastern region and the Upper Chile. Zolo tunali Malawi, Umache, Tabita Umango Chipakatepa, Tabita Baraka. You have seen the largest gatherings. Watch the space. Watch the space. Eastern region. UTM is going to dominate Eastern region in the upcoming generation. And it will be a cheto. Overall. We are simply sending a statement and a message to the nation to Mugate Bola. We want it to Bola. Titi Kosa Masewe. Titi Bola. 24/7 atuakama kucheza kama mapigana usiku mapigana usiku musiama nganishwembu for the sake of this country. We are going to work and win the next generation. We are going to work, and this is UTM. Watch the space. UTM is not only forming the next government, but the UTM will have the largest majority in Parliament this year. One by one, mwaone ma qualities ama candidates. These are fighters. These are soldiers. These are people fought lots and lots of battles and have won. This coming battle is smaller than the battle that they have fought. And therefore we are winning the next generation. The Afro Barometer one time told us we are failed when they were doing their data in August. Watch the space. Anyone else who can do a survey today will tell you UTM has grown. And on 16th September, UTM is going to be the largest part. Why am I saying so? Number one, we lost our founding president last year. We lost our visionary leader. We lost our people of hope. We lost somebody who dreamed good for the country. Tinada mutana masopenya. Mutamada alifurira timu yake sasa utabu hiyo. Mutamada bila njito kufuna timu yake isinte. And for the sake of his legacy, we are going to fight. The only way UTM is going to honor his legacy is by being government. But if we to win a massacre, win a pune, win a sapune, till win a massacre, we are going to fight. Like our founding president said, Mendai, Tizai, each one of us. We are going to fight. We are going to fight. And that's the reason we are forming the next government. No question about it. We will form the next government. Why we are forming the next government? In 1964, Meneji Mandela Ufuru was in Amorina. And when Anamenya Mkondo, Tikare Antu, Ozina Mugatoka, and a safe room. Mujaka Chimenejija, Zibu Amahawi, Maringa Dimela Kama Umpawi, Umpawa Ziko, umphawi wa muntu. Umphawi wa dziko amayang'anira nominal GDP, mmene chuma chakulira cha dziko. Umphawi wa anthu amayang'anira ndalama zimene munthu amazipeza chaka chikatha. On average, munthu amapeza ndalama zingati? Mu 1964 Malawi adampeza kupeza ndalama zokwana $210 pa chaka. Munthu wa ku China ndaimene ziwerengero zimene amapeza $163 pa chaka. Mukaona wa economics tikanena kuti Malawi inali yolemera kuposa China 1964. Mukapeza ntchito kulemera kwa munthu pa chaka, per capita income ene, Malawi inali yolemera kuyelekeza ndi China 1964. Si China yokha, mayiko ambiri, South Korea, Malaysia, Singapore ndi mayiko ambiri 1964 per capita income ya Malawi inali yokwera kuposa mayiko ambiri. Zaka 61 izatengera 62. Mukaonika lero a China per capita income yawo yachoka pa $163 per capita per person. Lero ndi 17,000 per capita per person. Kuipanga China kukhala yachiwiri, the second richest country in the world. Dziko loti ife nali olemera posa iwo lero adutsa mayiko onse adziko lapansi kupatula America. Ali second only ku America. Ife tinali pa $210 per capita person 1964. Lero tili pa $510 per capita per person. $510 per capita per person. Abulaku maboma awera apita, Malawi remains poor. Lero malika ndicho cha World Bank, 82% of Malawians, 1 to 10 I was said, 82 1 to 100 I was amawanga ndo sawa. Mwangoni na nyumba za mauti zozira zopoma maonera chakuja chaka ndi chaka pafupi over half ya wanu timakanija chaka ndi chaka. 91% of the people are jobless. Ntchito kulibe, makampani zanatseka, dziko lathu ndilompeza chisoni. And yet zaka zonsezi takani malamuliro ena iwo they call themselves major political parties in Malawi. They have failed this nation. They have failed this nation. And I don't know why they still call themselves major political parties. They have failed. Chifukwa chimene timakhazikitsira chipani ndicho kuti we should form a government in order to better the lives of the people you are leading. These parties have been formed, have come and have gone. They have not improved the way people of Malawi has. Malawi akulira excruciating poverty, hunger, disease. Ukapulenzipakala mwacho zompesa chisoni mulina mpaka zipakala zina kulowa mwipita like dead places. Masukulu na bila kusanje Fredo you agree with me? Tikakapeza ana kukwenda njewa musanje secondary school, ana kuchasa college, akukala mwachikanda General Secretary wanting to do studies. No. Why should we call ourselves major political party? granted. Mausina mukalepera mutibonera. We are proud. Osa pengine kulipo andipodrade kupasa kuziwa, andipodrade kupanda kwa demands for granted like that. Yes. This country has to change.
We need change.
Yes. I've just given you an example. China has moved from where Malawi was 1964 to 10 is the second richest economy in the world. Tanzania, Zambia, Mozambique. Ilirama ngotiseka we are laughing stock. Ukakwela ndege ukapita kuja ukamauza ndudela kumahali. They laugh at us. Yes. Where is Malawi? Where is Malawi? Ujema kuna ninja wakuchi. Kwa dosa ukakuchi. When the people are landing in Malawi, they are land by desert. Yes. This nation, we should feel sorry for this nation and be pity for ourselves. You see the irony of all of this. God blessed this nation much more than many other nations in the world. Because we are on a Rift Valley. Everything we crop, from rice to our fisheries, to our beef, to our potatoes, none of them are the taste that you get from things produced in Malawi is superior. Yes. We have such a unique advantage. We can do an alcohol weapon system, and everybody else will provide market to us, because what we produce is superior to what they can produce. And Pamadusa, we don't have minerals. Kulimaiko kwa South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, kulimaiko kwa Middle East and Dubai. And they have used their God-given natural resources to develop their nations. Leo ku Dubai, Saudi Arabia, deserts as they are, we have nothing to live there. They are the paradise of the world. As oil and gas that they have, God gave them to make their country a paradise. If it really gas 1 billion, it really oil 1 billion, much better than them. South Africa, Ukamabanga land, you will admire who wishing to stay and never come back to Malawi. They have developed out of their minerals. We have gold here. We have diamond, uranium. We have bauxite, graphite, clinker, all in large quantities. We can easily develop out of those things. What has been a problem in Malawi is leadership. And if I were to add, in economics there are 3 major factors of production. You have labor, land, and capital. I want to talk about labor. Ngatipala nduwena walimbikira nchito pachikula kwasa Malawians. Malawians apita watukula South Africa wapia mikode South Africa. Napita kusika wina waje South Africa wochipa makasaka zochekwa. Nena mfanduku yenda wina matas. Anga sense chilodi chechikuru wapia. Those are Malawians. Hard working. They can work terribly hard. Tilima resources. People who can work. We have the capital here in Malawi. On the stock market, we have trillions of dollars there. we can use to develop. There are so many banks with a lot of liquidity around your kita, locally and internationally. Vuto si ndalama, vuto si andokila nchito, vuto si ma resources that people know. We have all the factors of production is something in abundance. Vuto latu leadership. Incompetent leadership. Greedy leadership. Corrupt leadership. That has been our problem in our. And you can agree with me from 1964 to today. That has been a problem in our. Yes. Zindustapu za difuta. Uchokoleni. Ukonda tribalism, nepotism, and cronyism. Uchokoleni. Ukonda katangana. Uchokoleni. Uminali incompetent and foolish. A very good example. And I don't apologize about that. Malawians are suffering. Malawians, we can't continue to go the way we are going forever. Everywhere in the world. And I'm not figuring out good enough is enough. Yes. We must change. Yes. And they bring in revolution. This is the time for Malawians to arise. Wake up! Revolution is here. UCM is bringing in the third revolution in Malawi. And we will find the way Dr. Banda and others did in 1964 to take out colonial masters. The way Dr. Magini Moose did in 1994 with the others. Take out dictatorship in Malawi. This year UTM is leading a revolution to change our country. For the sake of Malawians out there, I have traveled from Sanje to Chitimba. I have met and greeted everybody, all, woman and man, everyone, rich and poor. I have seen it all. Malawians are suffering in excruciating pain. They are looking up to someone, up the group of people who can change this country. Yes. And that's UTM. We have no choice. And there is no any other choice. We will and we must work every hard. We will go to every door. We will go to every voter. Yes. We will appeal to everybody. We will fight for their conscience. This is a battle for the heart and the soul of this nation. We will win. And we win with the landslide. UTM is going to win. There are those who will say, oh, alliance. We may not have it, but we are winning. It's about this country. It's about this nation. And looking around in this room, we want to win every voter from Sanje to Mwanzane to Nchema, Machinga Mabushi. All round, we are winning. We are winning. And for those that think that they can rig the elections, there will be no rigging of the election. That will never happen. We are winning. If they want to do anything, we'll meet each other wherever they are going. Wherever they think there's a source of their power, we will do it tenfold better than them. We are winning these elections. And for those of you who think you are underdogs, you are not. We are all lions in here, and we will roar. The kind and type of campaign we're going to roll out, Malawians have never seen. They have never seen. And we'll fight. Let's see and watch the space you dare. And therefore, let me invite my colleagues to play what I always enjoy. The third economic revolution in click. It moves my heart. It soothes me. We have no any other choice. Economic revolution. Ndikutsauri tukena ukaja tsopano njala yakula koma ndi pampa zinthu ziwiri kapena zitatu zomaliza. Zipani zina zonse zilibe nkhani. They have no agenda, they have zero agenda for this country. And I don't know what they'll be voting for. Vote dabari yangu, achimwenanga bas. Zero agenda. I listen to rallies of other people, and I feel sorry for this nation. And I think it's not right. Kuritizana misa and when you have no agenda for this country, it's not right. This is the agenda for this nation. Let's find the name. My councillor don't say. My MP don't say. Let's bring this agenda to every single voter in Malawi. Our manifesto are you tell? Koma tukutsoa kuti anthu akamawerenga chibuku chasawerenga tiike in simple language manifestos in English zovaso tichike nchichewa 2 minutes 1 minute ulimitiza ukoza church chuma zikoza church zoko pale zikoza church zami glory zikoza church within 10 minutes manifesto yose 100 pages amalisi. And that's how far we have gone to simplify our message to Malawians. Tikapira ntchito yabwino tamuuza vota aliyense this message, and the voter still decides kuwamaka voti zosaziwika, we can pat ourselves in the back. For 17th September, we did our part. Look, we are on a table here, and look at every other table. If see I'm ready for in life, we already have a life regarding my pension. I can live on my pension. I already have, and the same goes with my colleagues here. We don't need money. We are not coming in politics because we need money. No. Some of us are tired. But we feel sorry for our nation. This generation yaife siri na itabize tiko because of all of us. Events on a person we are complicit to the incompetence leadership that Ghana. Ana kamati ya Ghana saka za mchokolozo. Ana makolo watu wasona itabize tiko watu. Why are we poor when our colleagues are rich? Are very good. And therefore, siri kwela kundai zawanga darama. That's not what we are, UTA. Ifedili bado lukuza sita timo. Chonero pa 17 September, Tibata Upanga present our agenda to the nation every quarter. Amalamu ya katika nina kulita banga present our agenda. Sana bifodole sabu bifuna. We will still pat ourselves to the back. We are good. We are happy to be what we are. But to do that, we must work. Before we apply for Florida, so that by Father Maniano, no. Sinkane Maniano, we are going out to work, and we are going to work to try to convince every voter. And they have no agenda for this nation. This is our agenda for this nation. Vote for change in Malawi. This nation must move on. Councillors knows Tima electronic in 30 make sure aliens in our wards, our resources. 0.5 is up. 0.5. Paliapendi revolution. Paliauli. Zoba maneno. If kukaina Friday ya mining. Nepali yokuza misoko. Adeki patipata sio namba 6 yomaliza ya 100 billion kwa taifa. Tione tete voter alliance azione. Akaonera awenga manifesto yonsi ya UTA mamaliza. Let them decide after watching. Video yose. Nyumba yose ni TV. Alliance ni phone. Let's make sure Alliance let them decide. And as a party, we will support you. MP in the council alliance. Tigafune and our week. Polling said that it was said a pen. Is on this message. And these people be our monitors on the last day. As a party, we are ready to support you. And many of our parent children my structures not have a ground. Upper constituency, upper district, upper region. It's time to work. It's time to fight. Every single vote counts. Let's know every vote. Let's get to every vote. And let's persuade every voter. It's time for change. It's time to change. In the other world. I'm also an evangelist and a preacher. Moses was given a task. Bwana Israel Abakala 400 years mukapolo. God said to Moses, tell my people it's time to go. You tell. It's time to tell Malawians. It's time to move on. We can't remain the way we are. It is enough. It is not helping anyone. We are not happy with the situation. We are not proud of ourselves. It's time to move on. 2025, 16th September. This nation must move. This country must move. Zana ena alitamisa. My t-shirt at 50,000 eh? 50,000 Africa. Africa 50,000. And also we will arrange. Candidates, we are going to support you as much as we can. Background it up in Chito. We only have this 72 days. We have to work. Day and night. No sleep. Let's work. Bakare Bible imadi osa pia nchini sadani. Ipeti kwa nchini ditani. In every revolution, Pamakan who lead and who take bullets. John Chile took a bullet for Malawi's revolution. Areke Banda and others, including Dr. Banda, they found themselves in prison to bring change in Malawi. Dr. Bagiri Mose and others found themselves in prison to bring democracy in Malawi. We are going to fight, take bullets where necessary to bring change in Malawi. And therefore, civic warfare. We are not afraid. Civic warfare is said. Tipiranchito, Timenya, Titipua, Paganatiwiga.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.